Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. A short one but a good one today. Peter's finished his last day of training, so I haven't had much time to voice over and edit today, so we're just going to put a short one on. This patient's come through, he had actually blocked up ears on both sides. He's coming back for a follow-up on the other side, but this was quite a good one to watch. So this is the second ear we did, which is why there's little bits of wax on the tube and things. So you can see the standard size ulnar tube in here. Not really getting a good enough grip, so we've gone in with a Jobson horn, and you can see that this wax is really tough old stuff. It's not coming out very easily. Very thick, very sticky type of wax, this one, so we're better off using the Jobson horn. It goes in really deep as well, so normally I describe wax by foodstuffs because most people have seen that kind of foodstuff, but yeah, you can see this is just really thick, sticky stuff. I thought for a change, just for a bit of fun on a Friday and it's Thanksgiving weekend, put in the comments below what you would describe this wax as, because I'm fed up with getting told off because I'm putting people off food. So in the comments below, how would you describe this particular type of texture wax and what would you call it? So you can see here we have very thick, very hard wax, especially you have to break chunks off it to get it out of the canal. Keep aiming a little bit deeper and then pulling this out. Suction just wouldn't really cut the mustard on this. It wouldn't be able to hold on to it well enough to be able to pull this out. But you can see it is just very old. It's actually bending and flexing the Jobson horn sometimes because you have to put that much pressure on it just to get enough of a grip on the inside. Patient perfectly happy though, not feeling any discomfort or any sensation. We talk about digging Jobson horn or something into the ear canal wall, but you've got to remember, if you're pressing down on top of a large piece of wax like this, that pressure is actually dispersed across a wider area, so it's not as uncomfortable. It'll just feel like a downward pressure in here. Getting to the last of it now, you can see it's coming away. Look at that, there's a lovely big thick chunk of wax there. Came out lovely and cleanly. There's the eardrum. You see just how much came out. That came out of one ear, so that was the last piece there to the right hand side. So a nice big chunk of wax there for your Thanksgiving weekend. I hope everybody has a great time and see you all next week. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.